I'm Damian Pelliccioni for Mingle Media TV, and we're here in lovely downtown Los Angeles at Cicada Restaurant, here for the ESPY's 2010 pre-show party. All right, so we're here with Norwood Young. Norwood, you are the author of a brand new book that is premiering tonight. I see it all over the red carpet. Tell us about Getting Back to Me.
Getting back to my me.
My me, I'm sorry.
Getting back to my me. You can get back to your me too. You know, that's the objective. But the name of the book is Getting Back to My Me, and it's a autobiographical story of my journey of growing up in a nice situation, coming to Hollywood. Still in a nice situation, but getting caught up in the Hollywood situation.
Yes.
And no one knew that I was going through drug abuse situations, in jail. Wow. There's a whole bunch of stuff that no one would know from the surface. 'Cause I live in a pretty nice neighborhood, drive pretty nice cars, and I lost myself. So it's basically about the journey of getting back to my me and all the things in between, you know, and it's definitely an inspirational tool for others who are need to get back to themselves, no matter what their me is, you know. It could be a passion that you've lost, you know. So I'm really proud of my baby.
Let's see, can we get a shot of the book?
Yeah.
That's awesome. And so, how long? When did you start your writing process? Like, when did you actually start writing this biography?
Well, as you'll read in the book, because I know you're gonna get it.
Yeah. Definitely. It's in the gift bag, right? No.
As you'll read in the book, I had an aha moment. And when that aha moment occurred, I never knew that I had lost myself until the aha moment happened. Yes. One of those moments was jail, and I said, "Oh my God, I am really in jail." You know, so at that point I realized that I had begun to lose myself. And then I started talking to some friends and things of that nature, and I learned from their reaction that I was helping them from my story, and I said, well, if I can do this on a small level,
that's
perhaps,
amazing.
yeah. And I'm a recording artist as well. In fact, my new record comes out next Tuesday. It's called
Congratulations.
Yeah, it's called I Fell in Love with You First. But
we'll get back. I want to ask you some questions about that, but tell us your journey of the book.
Yeah. So as a musician, I've always expressed myself through music.
Right.
But as we know, through verse, chorus, hook, there's only but so much story you can tell, and so much inspiration you can give. So this is like 300 pages of real life testimony, and that I hope will change people's life and alter people's life. Because I'm telling you, this is like my fourth nose because I self-muted.
You can't tell.
Yeah, well, this is the final one. I'm back to my me.
Yeah.
I went through a metamorphosis, which is why I also relate to Michael Jackson so much, of hiding pain. And my way of hiding that or acting upon that was self-mutilation through plastic surgery. So when the aha moments came back,
that's interesting.
When the aha moments back, I had to, because my heart is good.
Yeah.
Okay. So when my aha moments came back, I had to be as pure as possible. So I went to a reconstructive surgeon, took him my old pictures. We went on a computer and designed what I would look like now, and got back to my me. This is what I'm telling you. It's deep.
Wow.
That's deep, man.
That's amazing. So again, like, how long did it take you to write the book from start to finish?
2 years. 2 years.
And when was it released on book stands?
It will be out in October. It's not out yet.
It's not out yet.
No, you get.
Wow.
In fact, this is the first.
Like a preview of it.
And not only the preview, you're the first interview.
Oh wow! Oh my gosh, that's awesome! Congrats! I'm very excited. That's great.
Yeah.
So I mean, and this and many more interviews, obviously, that you're going to have coming up. And congratulations, because
thank you.
I mean, writing such a long novel is a task on its own, and then
cleansing.
getting published is even bigger deal. So congratulations on that.
Thank you so much.
So now let's talk about your music. You have an album coming out.
I've been recording, man, for forever. I was with a jazz group back in the '80s, late '80s, called, when I was very young. Thank you. Called Pieces of a Dream. Then I started on Star Search.
No way!
Yeah, man.
You're a Star Search kid?
Yes, sir. I actually started on Star Search. So now I'm doing. I was always on major labels, but now that the record industry has crashed, and I'm glad about it, because with proper marketing, artists are no longer pimped. You can make your own money, do your own thing, not be controlled.
DIY.
It's all boom, you know. So now I had this album. The album is called Getting Back to My Me. There's a song called Getting Back to My Me that will rip
it all in together.
No, but it's a 4-minute version of this book. The song is. It's a 4-minute version of this book. But the single is called I Fell in Love with You First. Really fun, poppy, bubblegum tune, but it's great. And it's actually on YouTube now. You can find it, Norwood Young on YouTube. I Fell in Love with You First.
So the music, the single comes out first.
Single comes out on the 21st.
Then the album, then the book.
Nope. It's the single, then the book.
Then the book.
Then the book with single, then the CD.
Wow.
So we'll be
So
on
you
the
got a
road.
whole
for,
marketing plan for like
you
the next
got
like
to,
6
man.
months.
No, for the next year.
Wow.
For the next year. Thank you, sir.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
That's
I really
You're going to
appreciate
be very
it.
busy. You're going to
Yes.
be all over every red carpet.
But you're mouth to God's ears, dude.
I can't wait. Honestly, I can't wait to read the book. I really
Thank
hope
you.
I can get a copy
And listen,
somewhere.
okay, well, listen. Here's what I need you to
Where,
do. And
where can people get copies, actually? Let's tell them that.
well,
first.
well, in October, it'll be on all the internet, your Amazon, your BarnesandNoble.com, all of it, and then your mom and pop bookstores. But you can go to my website, which is www.justnorwoodmusic.com and get the updates, or norwoodyoung.net and get the updates. But I encourage you to just get a preview of what I went through surgically in getting back to my me. I actually recorded one of my visits to the plastic surgeon.
Wow.
Because prior to my last surgery of my nose, which was having cartilage removed from my rib, to rebuild my nose, because I was a little scared of doing that. So initially, I was getting these very excruciatingly painful injections in my nose. Wow. And we're in the office, and then for some reason, it might have been the Valium, but for some reason, on camera, I talked about why I was in that chair and what brought me to that moment. And that was another aha moment. So that's Getting Back to My Me, Norwood Young on YouTube. So
that's all the preview to everything that you got coming out.
Yeah.
Wow, good for you.
Yeah.
Congratulations,
Thank
Norwood.
you.
Very nice to meet
Nice
you.
talking to you.